In this episode, we find out what it's like staying in the Fish Creek Hotel. Fish Creek is just over 2 hours drive away and is about 165 kilometres from Melbourne. The town is surrounded by lush pastures and dairy farms, but recently has become renowned for its community of artists. Well, today we're in Fish Creek, beautiful little town in Gippsland, on your way to Wilson's Promontory, but nestled here in a fantastic little environment. And we've had a little bit of a look around and we're staying here tonight. But a couple of interesting features. There's a sculpture just across the road that we understand was built out of road signs and assembled by a local artist together with a welder. And they took over 200 hours to make it. And it sits there and moves in the wind. It's a beautiful, beautiful structure. And right behind me, across the road here, is the old butter factory. And it's been there for since the 30s. It's owned by a local family that runs the local bus company. But there's a little bit of movement with the local community, which are very much artists, to take it over as an artist hall or an artist collective. And then another interesting fact is that we've got a town hall across the road there. Beautiful old building. It's owned by the community. It's not owned by the council. And they run a little stall there. And all the proceeds to that stall go back into renovating that hall. This is also the site of the Great Southern Rail Trail. And it runs all the way from Port Welshpool and weaves its way all the way down to Curramborough through here. It's a fantastic little route to take either by foot or by bike. Another interesting fact, why is this place called Fish Creek? Well, it was named after a little creek that's just out the back, beautiful little creek, and in it there's a number of river blackfish. And that's how Fish Creek got its name.
Wow, we're in Fish Creek. What a town. It is so artistic. Everything is beautiful. They have the most magnificent art chairs in the main town, which have all been welded and they're beautiful. And of course, they have fish on them. But on top of that, the cafes, the general store, everything about this town is amazing. Even the handcrafted stores that we went into, there's ceramics, knitwear, there's beautiful greeting cards, jewellery, everything, all handmade by local artists. It's such a find and it's just a couple of hours from Melbourne. Just quickly, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. It helps our channel. So here we are at the Fish Creek Hotel. This is where we're staying tonight and where we're having dinner. It's a beautiful Art Deco building and it is in the heart of town. Absolutely beautiful inside as well. All original fittings, etched glass and gorgeous woodwork. Really looking forward to staying here. We're staying in our room out the back. It's so fantastic. Retro would be the way I'd describe it. And original, and it's clean, and I'm really looking forward to having a good night's sleep.
Well, Christine, we had a really cosy night last night. It rained all night. We had a great day yesterday in Fish Creek. Final thoughts?
Well, Fish Creek is such a gorgeous town full of so many talented artists. I slept like a baby. It's so quiet and peaceful. It was lovely.
So why not come and get stuck up Fish
Creek?